Hello everyone, this is Team Touchstone and the members are me, Kaustav Kumar Dhar, and my co-members are Abhrakanti Roy, Shubhadeep Banerjee, Shinjini Pal and Abhishek Brahmo. Our project for Niyantra 13 is Blind Helper Stick. This is a smart stick consisting of different sensors. An ultrasonic sensor fitted at the bottom of the stick will detect holes or any other abnormality on the way of the blind man. It will consist of an IR proximity sensor also. This IR proximity sensor will be fitted at the lower part of the body of the stick. If any obstruction persists, the sensors will provide proper indication by a vibrator and a speaker, as well as the blind man can also access a headphone for proper indication.
Here is the prototype model of our project built on a breadboard using an Arduino kit, where we have used an ultrasonic sensor and an IR proximity sensor, and we have used two LEDs and a buzzer for the indication. Now let's see how the Arduino programming is working for our project.
This is the Arduino program that we are using. First of all, we have defined the input and output pins. The trigger pin and echo pin are mainly for the ultrasonic sensor, whereas the IR pin is used for the IR sensor. The output pins 9 and 7 are used for LEDs and buzzers. The buzzer and red LED are connected in parallel. Now, this is the loop portion where we have defined two variables, duration and distance. Here, the duration of the echo to return is defined by the pulse in command, and this is the calculation of the distance in inches per second. Now, the conditions are given. If the sensor value is high and the distance is greater than 12 inch, that means obstacle is present, and therefore the red pin will go high and the green pin will go low. And along with the red pin, the buzzer will start. And else, that means obstacle is not present and the green pin goes high, whereas the red pin goes low.
Here you can see the connections of the ultrasonic sensor and the IR proximity sensor. This one is the IR proximity sensor, and this is the Arduino Uno kit. We have made the connection on the breadboard. You can see a green LED is connected, which detects that no obstruction is present, and the red LED detects any obstruction and glows. In the IR proximity sensor, as there is no obstruction, it is not giving us any output. But if I place my hand on its way, it is giving us an output by glowing this red LED and blowing the buzzer. In case of the ultrasonic sensor, we have made a range of 12 inches and the books are used as the obstruction. Now the books are present at a distance of 12 inches, and that's why it is giving us no obstruction and the green LED is glowing. As soon as we are removing the obstruction, the red LED is glowing and the buzzer is also blowing, giving us an output that any obstruction is there. Now the books are there, so no obstruction is present and the green LED is glowing. Now the case is just the reverse of IR proximity sensor. It detects any obstruction inside a limited distance, but in case of ultrasonic sensor, it detects the obstruction when the books are at a certain distance and beyond it. As the ultrasonic sensor is fitted bottom, so we have made this arrangement so that it can detect any holes on the way of the blind man.
Here you can see the lab view block diagrams for our project. Here we have taken the Arduino input and those are the configuration of the Arduino board. Here we have taken 2 input pins and 2 output pins. Here the block for the IR proximity sensor, which giving the output, and the output is directly fed to the output pin number 9, and also it will glow a LED. In the front panel we can see the LED where it is written that no obstruction and it glows to green. When this IR proximity sensor will detect any obstruction, then it will glow to red and it will be written there obstruction is present. As well as here we are feeding a signal compatible to our ultrasonic sensor through this block, and the output from the ultrasonic sensor is taken in this block and directly fed to the timing block where it is resetting the timing block, and here it is the time required by the ultrasonic sensor.
Now we have interfaced the Arduino Uno kit with NI's LabVIEW software. Here you can see when I am making the system run. Now suppose here is no obstruction on the way of the IR proximity sensor, and that's why it is showing no obstruction LED. As soon as I put my hand on the way of IR proximity sensor, obstruction is present LED is glowing. And whenever I remove my hand, again no obstruction LED is glowing. Likewise, it is performing. Now, in case of ultrasonic sensor, the books, the obstructions are kept within a distance 12 inches, and that's why no obstruction LED is glowing. As soon as I am removing the books, the obstruction is present LED is glowing. Again, when I am taking the books inside 12 inches, the LED is giving us no obstruction. That is, no obstruction is present.
What you have seen in the video, that is the prototype model of our project. In the final one, there will be some more sensors to make this blind stick more efficient, and some extra features like GPS will be added with this blind helpers stick. We are very thankful to our group mentor as well as the whole AI department of our college, and we are also very thankful to the GIS group for the financial help.
If you think our project is pretty much useful and may be used for the welfare of human beings, don't forget to hit like. Thank you.